Hello, in this video, we will learn how to create a Telegram account. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the Telegram application. Then, click on Start Messaging. Here, you need to add your phone number. Choose the country associated with the phone number you want to enter. Next, enter your phone number. Press this icon. Click on Yes. Continue. Allow. Wait a moment. Here, it will ask you for a confirmation code. If the number you entered is the same number active on your phone, the confirmation will happen automatically. If the number is not on your phone, you need to activate the number to receive the code and manually enter it in the empty fields. Now, enter your first name and last name. You can add your profile picture from here. Press this icon again. Wait a moment. Continue. Allow. Your account has been created. Telegram will notify all your contacts that you have opened a Telegram account. You can start messaging your contacts. Finally, support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with our new videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.